So now we are going for a submarine boat tour, and it's gonna take around 1 hour. There will be complimentary drinks which is included in the ticket, and they will take us to a tour of the Mediterranean Sea, and then there is a submarine view underneath the boat. So they will take us, it's totally air conditioned, the underneath of the boat, so stay tuned. This is the boat.
So here is the boat. So we have two sitting areas, one is downstairs and one is on top. Right now we are starting Busia. The place that you can see right now was where the Colossus of Rhodes is situated before. The huge statue. The two legs were on these two pillars and now it's broken. It was before one of the wonders of the world.
Oh, it's a statue. That's really dark. That's you. Oh, is it? Oh, I thought it was real. It's really nice.
So right now we are getting the submarine feeling. So we are right underneath the boat, and you can see fish swimming all around this boat. It's just amazing.
Besides, they don't have to trick the fish.
Yeah, it's exactly. So they are just swimming as they like.
There's hundreds of fish. Right there. That's very
People get past there.
And we also don't have to trick the fish. They are just as it is. So our trip to Rhodos, Greece, is now over. You can see the mesmerizing, breathtaking view of the sea, Mediterranean Sea, right behind me. Thank you so much for watching.